In this video, we'll show you how to install the center console ambient lighting for your Tesla Model 3 and why. This is for the Gen 2 center armrest and center console. You want to pry towards the back first and move your way up to the front where your phone wireless charger is at. Once you pry open, you can lift this whole center console up, unplug the wire where the charge port is located. Now applying the adhesive ambient lighting along the top edge next to where the clips was at before you remove the trim. And you want to line this up. Of course, you should clean the surface if it is full of debris or any oil finger marks before you apply this adhesive. Work your way along the trim all the way up to the front of the center console. Then remove the rear vent, and this you just pull straight out towards yourself if you're sitting in the rear seat, and unplug that. Run the wires through the open space between the actual armrest and to the back of the actual vehicle itself. This is where you'll be fishing through the wire, and then go ahead and reinstall the center console cover with your actual phone charger. Close up the armrest. Now you'll be plugging in the power connection. So you want to fish the wire through the back of the center console down to the OBD connector, and with the OBD connector you disconnect the blue wire and connect the Hansshow harness, and then reconnect the OBD wires back into the harness itself. So you're just looping around, run the smart wires through the top and plug it in to the actual electrical plug itself and the computer module. Hide the computer module inside the rear compartment and plug all the connection through from the right and left side. This will give you power you need to turn on the ambient lighting for your center console. The wires, make sure you hide this underneath the vent opening, not inside the vent, and make sure the computer is also placed underneath the vent opening. Replace the vent cover, and that is pretty much it for that part. And now for the cup holder. So this cup holder also lights up, and you insert this on top, hide the wire along the edges, plug it into the 12-volt outlet underneath your armrest, and now you have a cooling cup holder with USB plug and ambient lighting. How cool is that? So check this out. Very easy to install, takes less than 30 minutes, and it gives you the lighting you need for your center console, which Tesla does not offer. And you have multi settings. You can change it to sync with the music, change the color, how it sequences, change how it flashes, and so forth. It goes well with the wireless charger for your phone and also your AirPods, so you can purchase that separately as well. Link is in the description of this video. Light up your cabin with the Hansshow new center console ambient lighting.